Ladies and gentlemen, this is Danny J back. Alright, today we're going to be taking a look at the Monorail from Metropolis, the home city of Superman and Lois, here at Six Flags Fiesta, Texas, in my beautiful city, home city, San Antonio, Texas. We just boarded, so we're just waiting for it to get going. Hopefully, we'll be okay. A storm looks like it's coming from the distance. Right? So this recently opened this past spring. I think either in March or April. This DC section. So they have this ride. They have a Gotham City ride, a little coaster for the kids. They have a Shazam ride. They have a Cyborg ride. They have a Joker ride as well. Well, that one was already open. They have the Flash roller coaster, but that one's still closed, I think. I think it's derailed or something. Right, let's see. Over there's Superman Krypton. Next to us is the Looney Tunes log ride. Here we go. Let us ride the monorail. Here we go. Look at the views. So nice. Looks like they're stuck. Oh yeah, they're stuck. Yeah, they're stuck. Six Flags Fiesta, Texas is getting ready to gearing up for their Fright Fest, which opens next weekend on September 6th. If you look down closely, you can see some of the decorations already. That right there in the tunnel. Oh, and their train's going right there in the tunnel. And there's the Joker ride right there. There's the Batman roller coaster. Right there, that ride right there where the kids are going up and down, that's the side, that's the Shazam roller coaster. And underneath is the Gotham City roller coaster. Dedicated to Batgirl. And here comes the train. There it is. Ooh, that storm looks like it's gonna pack a wall. Nice day here at Six Flags this Labor Day weekend. We were at Hurricane Harbor earlier. Not a lot of people. Line's not that long. The only line that's long is the one for the Joker ride. That one's pretty long. at a standstill waiting for the other train to take off. And I think right there we have a ride dedicated to the Riddler. I think. There's the boomerang right there in the distance.
The rooster
Huh?
there's a rooster mascot over there, but
No way!
it's always got the point.
Aw, darn it, I could have filmed it. That's one of my best friends talking, by the way. From high school. Mr. Meepius. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are done with our Monorail ride. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it. Please like and share this video and subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button for more great content. Thank you very much, guys. You have a good day. Bye.